Hi flower fans, Charmaine Turbow, Head Farmette here at Turbow Farms. Today we're going to do something really special. We're going to do a double feature. First, I'm going to walk you through some of the fascinating anatomy of bearded irises. And then I'm going to share with you 8 spectacular varieties of bearded irises that are in bloom at Turbow Farms now.
Have you ever wondered why they're called bearded? Well, you're about to find out why.
I'm also going to share my Head Farmette Secret and how you can multiply your own stock. And then we're going to explore some beautiful, stunning varieties in bloom. Let's start with the basics of iris anatomy. This knowledge will help you appreciate these beauties even more during our garden tour. Every bearded iris has 6 main petals arranged in 2 sets of 3. The 3 upright petals are called standards. They stand like soldiers guarding the flower's center. The 3 hanging petals are called falls. And here's what gets interesting. See these fuzzy strips on the falls? That's the beard that gives these irises their name. This fuzzy landing strip actually guides pollinators right to the heart of the flower. Behind these showy petals, you'll find the style arms. These protective structures house the reproductive parts of the flower. And tucked underneath, there's the ovary where seeds will develop after pollination. Now that we understand iris anatomy, let's meet our garden stars. This is Gilt-Edged Bond. She is absolutely gorgeous and one of the first to arrive here at the farm, early blooming, of course. From the top, the standards run cream, lavender with hints of gold edging, just absolutely gorgeous. And her falls have this purple and fade to lavender color. The tongues are also a nice, beautiful, bright yellow. Of course, she's double flowering, so there's actually a bud in behind here that will flower after this bloom goes. And there's several more along the stalks of this bearded iris as well. For all you purple and lavender lovers, this is Molokini, one to certainly add to your collection. She's got this beautiful fringe of mocha on the falls here, mixed in and blended into the lavender. And same with her arms in here. It's just a lighter version of what's on the falls of the lower petals here. But she's absolutely gorgeous. She's got this gold fringe all the way around, and her beard is more of ivory and just a touch of yellow. She's just got hints of gold throughout her. She's absolutely gorgeous. Boom! Check this out, blush lovers. This is Sterling Mistress. You'll want her in your collection. Check out her inner arms. It's got peach salmon, all this luscious light pink, and then check out her falls. This intricate magenta veining with her beard shining bright, deep coral orange. Must have. Want more bearded irises? These carefree beauties propagate themselves into one big family. See how they form a circle? That's all from one original rhizome. So in a year or 2 from planting the original rhizome, you can dig these up with a pitchfork in late fall and divide them for more beautiful blooms. This is Bahama Blues. I can't get over this one. She's got so many ruffles. And she is an early bloomer here at our farm. And she's pretty much almost blown open with all 3 of her buds almost fully open here. She's got this beautiful, what they call a claret rose color. You can see the beards here is kind of a bluish purple color with a hint of yellow through there. And if I peel her open really carefully, you'll see that her arms have this peach color with a hint of gold. She's just absolutely yummy. Move over, blush tone friends. It's time for the jewel tone party. This is Candy Apple Classic. Look at her va-voom magenta petals with coffee shoulders, and look at that chocolate luscious beard. She is just outrageous. Get ready to be mesmerized by Mesmerizer. What's so mesmerizing about this paper thin, beautiful, pearlescent, white bearded iris, you might ask? Well, look at that. Ooh, what is that? That is a horned beard.
Wow.
This is what happens when peach meets lavender. This is path to heaven. Look at her beautiful gold veining. Now, I didn't know anybody named Jonathan until I met this one. Let me introduce to you my friend Jonathan. Chocolate, rust, burgundy undertones, meeting a mustard. Boom, center. Wow, Jonathan, you are very pretty. And did I mention you are also a rebloomer? If you enjoyed our double feature today, a little anatomy and a little showcasing of bearded irises, be sure to check out our other flower farm tours on YouTube. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time, flower fans, flowers or bust.